Yes, listen students, chapter number 22, Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, overall revision, page number from 205 to 221. 5 important topics we were discussed under this chapter. Number 1, 22.1. So in this part, meaning and characteristics of negotiable instrument. So negotiable instrument, the meaning of negotiable instrument, transfer of instrument, negotiable instruments from one person to other person by way of negotiation. So the transfer of endorsement made by the person who is called as transferor, or one who endorsed the instrument is called as transferor, endorser, and one who received the endorsement is called as endorsee, and the process is known as endorsement. So, negotiable instrument and characteristics. There are 3 important characteristics of negotiable instruments. Number 1, transferability, title of the holder, then right to transferee or endorsee to shoot or file a case. There are 3 important characteristics. This is very important. 3 more question. What are the various characteristics or nature? The question will be asked like this: what are the nature of the negotiable instrument? Nature, characteristics, quality, or one and the same. So you have to write these 3 points and the explanation. So this question will be in 3 more question. Then second, the same part, presumption of the negotiable instrument. Presumption to negotiable instruments. There are 8 important points. So you have to list out all the 8 points for presumption to negotiable instrument. That is 5 more very important, 5 more question. So the end of 22.1. The next topic is 22.2. 22.2. Negotiability versus assignability. What do you mean by negotiability and what do you mean by assignability? Negotiability means transfer of the negotiable instrument from one person to another person for the transfer of interest by way of mere delivery of instrument or by way of endorsement and delivery. That is known as negotiability. Whereas in the case of assignability means transfer of instrument which are other than the negotiable instrument. Transfer of the instruments other than the negotiable instruments. Any other assets which can be transferred from one person to other person. So you have to write 4 points: legal ownership, notice, nature of title, and consideration. For example, legal owner. In case of negotiability of the instrument, the ownership can be transferred by way of delivery as endorsement and delivery. Whereas in the case of assignability, there is a need of number of procedures. The document should be in return, and that should be affixing of stamps and also transfer of ownership. And the notice, nature of title. Nature of title means in case of negotiability, the transferor get the best title than the transferor. But in the case of assignability, the nature of title depends upon the defects of the transferor or the endorser. If there is any defect in the endorsement, that will be continued in the transferee also. So the title to goods or the title of documents depends upon the transferor's defects. If there is any defects on the transferor part, that is also continued in the transferee also. That is in case of assignability. But in case of negotiability, the transferee get the better title even than the transferor. Then consideration. There is a need of consideration must be in case of negotiability. So in case of assignability, that should be proved. In case of negotiability, the consideration is presumed, that is understood. But in case of assignability, that should be proved by the transferee or endorsee. So these are the four important differences between the negotiability and the assignability. This is very important 3 mark question. That is 22.2. Then 22.3. Three important negotiable instruments are check, bill of exchange, and promissory note. In each of the instrument, you have to write the definition and characteristics. If it is check means definition and characteristics. Then promissory note also definition and the characteristics. Then bill of exchange definition and the characteristics. So what are the various characteristics of check? It will be a very important 5 mark question. But in case of definition, 2 mark question, define a check, 2 mark question, define bill of exchange. These are the 2 mark question. Then characteristics will be asked in the 3 mark question. So this is very important part. Important negotiable instrument are check, bill of exchange, and promissory note. In all the cases, you have to prepare the definition of such instrument as well as various characteristics of such instrument. So at the end of 22.3, then another important part in the same part, bill of exchange and the check. What are the various differences between the bill of exchange and the check? Then the differences between the bill of exchange and the promissory note, and check the differences between check and the promissory note. So in case of bill of exchange and check, there are 13 points. Bill of exchange and promissory note 10 points. Check and promissory note 10 points. So this will be asked in 3 mark question. But in case of first one, the differences between bill of exchange and the check will be very important 5 mark question. There are 13 points. You have to write at least any 10 points. So at the end of 22.3. Then 22.4, crossing of check. Crossing, what do you mean by crossing, and what are the various types of crossing? What is the meaning of crossing, and what are the various types of crossing? So the crossing, you know the meaning of crossing, that are all explained in detail on the relevant classes. Then the types of crossing may be general crossing and the special crossing. In both the categories, you have to prepare what is the meaning of general crossing, what are the significance of general crossing, and what are the specimen of general crossing. Likewise, special crossing, meaning, significance, and specimen of special crossing. The other name of special crossing is restrictive crossing. I told you in the relevant class. The other name of special crossing is known as restrictive crossing. So 3 mark question in both the cases. 3 mark question will be asked. What are the various significance of general crossing, or what are the various significance of special crossing? Then define crossing may ask in 2 mark question. Then endorsement 22.5. Next topic is 22.5. It's a very important topic. Endorsement. What do you mean by endorsement? What are the types of endorsement, and what are the requisites of the endorsement? So endorsement is nothing but delivery of instrument from one person to other person with a view to transfer of his interest. Then the endorsement types may be 6 important types. 7 important types: blank endorsement, special endorsement, partial endorsement, conditional endorsement, sans recourse endorsement, restrictive and facultative endorsement. This is very important 5 mark question. What are the various kinds of or various types of endorsement? So another important 5 mark question in the same part. What are the valid requisites for the endorsement? If the endorsement should be valid, under what circumstances means you have to fulfill all the 12 points, 12 requisites of the endorsement. Then only the endorsement will be a valid one. So 2 important 5 mark question. Number 1, what are the various types of endorsement? This type you have to list out. Then what are the various requisites for the valid endorsement? It consists of 12 points. Before that, 1 2 mark question. Define the endorsement. What is the definition for endorsement? So this with the end of 22.5. Then Next topic is types of negotiable instrument. The instrument are classified as 10 types, 10 important types. They are direct instrument, order instrument, inland, foreign, ambiguous, in short or incomplete instrument, time instrument, accommodation bill, documentary bill, and clean bill of exchange. These are all the 10 important types of negotiable instruments. So, regarding 5-mark question, number 1, what are the various characteristics of what are the various presumption of the negotiable instrument? Number 1. Then what are the various characteristics of check? Number 2. Then another important 5-mark question, valid requisites of the endorsement, or important or essential requisites of the valid endorsement. What are the various types of the endorsement? These are the 5 important 5-mark questions. So if you go through this, definitely there will be one 5-mark question from this lesson. Go through this. So we will see in the next class.